I believe that many things can be said about college, but the idea of costs is one that seems to be the most constant. There are a number of different costs to consider, and I believe that these go for just about anything, whether they have to do with textbooks, tuition, or what have you. Being able to cover all of these is important, and a debt agency would be able to tell you the same. You may not consider staying at home during your time in college, but there is potential for it. Keep in mind that staying at a dorm room can bring about higher costs in and of itself. This isn't just in the idea of staying in a place that is essentially for rent, even though this is a strong aspect to consider. Rather, think about all of the different assets that you have to spend tremendous amounts of money on in the long term. What are some of the most important, though, and what can you do in order to make sure that your wallet does not wind up hurting? You'd be surprised by just how much you would be able to save by staying at home, food being one such example to consider. If you are living on your own and possess very few cooking skills, you are going to go out to eat time and time again. The problems involved are far deeper than those rooted in diet, as important as they are. Rather, if you go to the same place over and over again, spending more money all the while, you'll start to see costs pile on. Being able to stay home so that you will have better means to all of the important assets can help you pay for school later on. I can't begin to tell you about the number of utilities that can be put to use, whether you are talking about electricity, plumbing, or what have you. Each of these costs money, and being able to reduce the costs of these can help you, as agencies such as Rapid Recovery could tell you. Make sure that you take the help of a strong debt agency into account. I don't think that you need me to tell you just how expensive going to school can be, because you've probably already recognized a number of the issues associated with it. You want to be able to save as much money as possible, which means that you have to take measures you probably haven't thought of. If you believe that dorming was the best choice for you, you may want to think again. Staying at home is, in my mind, a financially viable option to take up.